Here's one we don't get in every day at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Now, this particular car, let me slip to the back, would be considered a two-door sedan. And before you say, it's got to have four doors to be a sedan, well, back in the day, two doors that had this post, they called it here, were known as two-door sedans in a lot of the styles, and or two-door posts. So there you have it. So you got a 71 Chevrolet Nova, two-door sedan. Now this one is also done up with SS badging. Unfortunately, in 1971, you cannot tell if a Nova is a true SS unless you have paperwork to prove it, i.e. Window sticker, build sheet. So can confirm that this is done up as a SS or if it was a true SS to begin with. In this particular case, the way the car is, it's going to be worth the value that it is either way. Very nice car, very nice running car, nice and clean. So underneath the hood, we have a 350 underneath there that is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It appears that it's out of a 70 to 73 era car, so it is in the correct era. 300 horse, 350 is what it's stating by the Suffolk code. Not representing as a numbers matching car, just as an era correct, appears to be the correct engine that this car would have came with anyway. And then the turbo 350 automatic transmission. Repaint on this car was done within the last couple years, and it is in very nice shape. It's kind of a, you could call it a dark silver, medium gray. Has a little bit of change to it where you can kind of see the shadows in it. It's very nice paint. Perfect? No, but done very, very nicely. I'd call it a very nice driver quality paint. This one you take in either local shows, local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Be proud to drive this car there. Riding on rally wheels, and also has power steering, power brakes as far as equipment under hood. Now, if you want to take a look at the still pictures and check out the interior, check out the engine bay, underside, trunk. Trunk is absolutely spotless. Interior is great. Check out those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where they're at. Down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right there. Phone number to call us and inquire about this car, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with it. Some of the things that were done in the restoration, I call it a frame-on restoration. The car, obviously, I said, has been repainted. It does have new springs, shocks, larger sway bars in it. So set up to be a little nicer driver than it would have been from Chevrolet in 1971. Front disc brakes on this one, of course, and I did mention their power as well as power steering. Went through a lot of the stuff on the interior. When we get to that, I'll tell you what I noticed works and functions properly. Car's just got a great look to a great stance. Those rally wheels, nice color. Coming around to the rear here, 308 rear gears in this car. Like I said, it does run smooth, sounds good. Now, again, if you'd like to check out the still pictures, check them out at UniqueClassicCars.com or click on the link down below this video. It's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at, and it may qualify for an extended warranty also. So ask your sales associate if you call in or email in, and they can explain that to you and go through it with you. As you can see, you come around to the rear bumper, bright work, nice shape. Again, paint in the rear deck. Also a nice shape, and I did mention earlier this trunk is spotless. Very nice looking trunk. Got some JBL 6x9s in the rear. Has a little nicer late model retro looking stereo in it that does work properly as it should. Phone number to reach us at 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this. Look up and down the side of this. Again, you can see the reflection. So you know the car has a nice luster to it. You see how straight it is up and down the side, not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Isn't bubbling or anything like that above the wheel wells that you'll see. Check out underneath the doors in the still pictures. You can see how solid it is underneath there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior on this one. I'll show you a few cool things in here too. All right, so first of all, door panels, door cards, good shape. Aftermarket floor mats in there. Carpets also nice shape. So vinyl bucket seats floor shifter, and you can see this nice little armrest with a cup holder has been added. Headliner in this car, very nice shape. Front and rear seats, both in nice shape, not full of rips, tears, any sort of wear, anything like that. Check this out. Over here, you have the tachometer. That tachometer does work. Also notice that the clock works in this. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up. See how easily it starts. Did also have the wipers going. Low and high. Whoops. And we'll switch to off. Worked great. Alright, as you can see, maybe, hopefully, second hand, the clock is ticking there. That did work. Here's that kind of more modern stereo that fits in. Looks like an old one if you didn't have it turned on. Can't tell that's a modern stereo in there. It does work nice, sounds good. Again, JBL 6x9s in the rear. Check out the gauge cluster here, which I believe would have been standard on the SS's. So once again, a lot of things that point to an SS. Can't confirm it without a build sheet or a window sticker. There's that turbo 350 automatic on the floor. Dash, all in great shape. Headliner, nice shape. Like I said, this thing's pretty much turnkey. Get in and go. So nice it sounds, and also check out that tack so you can see that that's working. Alright. I'm going to slip around to the back. I want you to hear this. How nicely that door closes. Excellent sounding car. Little rumble to it. Nothing crazy. I think this hood I can open pretty easily one-handed if I remember right. Again, look at how straight that car is up and down it. Alright, so here we go. 350 V8 shove underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, does have disc up front. So it's got new headers there. Nice and tidy, nice and neat. Don't expect this one to last too long. So, if you're looking for a 1971 Chevrolet Nova, two-door, beautiful car, give us a call. Numbers 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you find the still pictures down below this video. Click on the link, it's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with getting this car to where you're located at. And of course, it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Look forward to hearing from you.